Okay, so let's have a look at working 5 for Mike McMahon 2014 sole trader question. So provision to be made for mortgage interest due. So we've that done already. So I usually include that in as part of our suspense. But 25% of the mortgage interest refers to the private dwelling. So we need to go back to the mortgage interest working, get 25% of the yearly amount, reduce it by that figure, and then add that figure onto your drawings account. So we have our drawings here working 9, so we're going to go back up to our mortgage interest figure. So we calculated mortgage interest here to be 111,000. That's not the figure it's going to go in because 25% of that is going to go to our drawings. So the amount is 111,100. Drawings then, so we're going to get 25% of that 11,100. 11,100, so it's going to be 11,100 multiplied by 25%. That's going to give us 2,775. That figure is going to go into your drawings account. So the new figure then for operating income then is 8,325. That's going to go to add or less operating income. Then this 2,775, that's where we're going to increase our drawings by. So down here we're going to have drawings. The amount is going to be taken from the trial balance. So the amount, let's have a look and see how much our drawings are. Drawings are 41,250. And then the interest, just where we're getting that from, was 2,000 and something. So we're going to go back up to our interest, which is 2,775. Make sure you take your drawings figure and not your interest figure. So we're going to add this onto our drawings, and that's going to be our new drawings figure then. Okay, and that's how you do question or adjustment number 5, where it says provision to be made for mortgage interest due. Remember, that provision is already included as part of the working number 3, but 25% of the interest that we calculate there is to go to your private dwelling. So you need to adjust the yearly amount by 25% and take it away, and that 25% then is going to be added on to your drawings figure.